Hey, how's it going? It's DemonDriver here. It's a beautiful day here in Goose Creek, South Carolina. Winds of about 5 to 10 miles per hour. What do you say we made in the Pan American Boeing 707 short tail? Hey, between you and me, I wonder if Tech Johnson ever got this nervous. All right, wish me luck. Let's do some flying. Hey, this is DemonDriver here, and let's talk about what just happened. Okay, I'm out here, and it's gusting up to 25, 30 miles per hour. And I just wanted to get this damn thing in the air, and I did. She flew, didn't fly far, she's a bit underpowered. She comes in at about 8.5 pounds or so. I got 3.5 pounds out of her when I first started trying to fly a couple days ago. She was just too heavy. So what happened was she got into the air right down to about maybe right about the second intersection. She got into the air, but I could tell that she was hitting a really strong headwind, and she started wallowing. You know, you could just see her just doing that, and I just said, okay, let me just see if I can build up more speed, and I had it firewalled. I had this thing all the way firewalled, and see this wind? See what's going on? That's what happened, but a lot stronger than that. I hit like a brick wall of wind, and she just basically started to harry her, and she's underpowered. If she had another 1.5 pounds of thrust, she could have powered through that gust of that headwind. So let's talk about the damage. The damage is minor. There's another engine out there I have to go get, but I designed my planes to, when they reach their structural overload point, parts break away without, like the real plane, without actually destroying the entire plane. So the engine mount here broke. I'm gonna have to replace that, and the engine mount here did not break, but the actual engine pylon broke off. So other than that, nose gear has a little bit of damage, a little bit underneath damage, nothing severe. The wings appear to be okay. They appear to be okay. Other than that, she's okay. I think she's pretty good. I'm gonna go with, I think I'm gonna save up, go with 270mm Schuber fans and stick a significantly more powerful EDF set in this thing. I mean, brushless motor. Try and get another 1 pound or 2 of thrust out of this thing, and she should be fine. It does fly, but I'm sorry about the short flight, guys. I'm gonna do better next time. But this is DemonDriver with the Boeing 707. She does fly, but you know, this is going to be a work in progress. Well, hey, if you don't build it, you can't fly it. And if you don't fly it, you're never going to know. All right, guys, thanks again for all the support and your help. And I really want to thank all the guys on RCgroups.com. I want to thank all you guys. You guys are what make this hobby great, and I appreciate everything you did in trying to help me. I took all your considerations and actually put them into the plane. Higher nose gear, lighten the plane, cut down on the servo throws. You see this wind? Look at this wind. Yeah, it wasn't the smartest thing to try and Maiden in this wind, but I knew I had to roll the dice. Alright guys, this is DemonDriver. I'm out of here, and thanks again. Bye-bye.